down on their knees, praying for rain from the sky. They're up every morning, planting those seeds in the ground, riding those big wheels until the sun goes down. Whoa, American farmer, we're all dependent on you. No one works harder, feeding the red, white, and blue. If there's no farm, there ain't no food. Thank God you do what you do, American farmer. So give thanks when we fill our cart at our local store, and not take for granted tomorrow there'll always be more. Just take a trip down a back road and you'll understand, and you'll feel the beat from the heart of this great land. Whoa, whoa, American farmer, we're all dependent on you. American farmer, feeding the red, white, and blue. If there's no farm, there ain't no food. Thank God you do what you do, American farmer, feeding the red, white, and blue. FFA and 4-H too. If there's no farm, there ain't no food. Thank God you do what you do. American farmer, American farmer, FFA and 4-H too. American farmer, American farmer, American farmer. American farmer. American farmer. American farmer. American farmer. American farmer.
Every Friday night there's a steady cloud of dust that leads back to a field filled with pickup trucks. Got old Hank cranking way up loud. Got coolers in the back, tailgates down. There's a big fire burning, but don't be alarmed. It's just country boys and girls getting down on the farm. It's been on a tractor, ain't seen Becky all week. Somebody said they seen them headed down to the creek. Farmer Johnson's daughters just pulled up in a Jeep. Man, he knows lane. Oh, Dave's getting loud, but he don't mean no harm. We're just country boys and girls getting down on the farm. You can have a lot of fun in a New York minute, but there's some things you can't do inside those city limits. Ain't no closing time, ain't no cover charge, just country boys and girls getting down on the farm. Well, you can come as you are, there ain't no dress code, just some route rules that you need to know. Don't mess with the bull, he can get real mean. Don't forget to shut the gate, stay out of the beans. If it starts to raining, we'll just head to the barn. We're country boys and girls getting down on the farm. You can have a lot of fun in a New York minute, but there's some things you can't do inside those city limits. Ain't no closing time, ain't no cover charge, just country boys and girls getting down on the farm. Ain't no closing time, ain't no cover charge, just country boys and girls getting down on the farm. Oh, let's get down, y'all. Stay out of that hay.
Listening to the sound of the American heart. And Opry music on a Saturday night brings a smile to your face and a tear to your eye. Sing a song about the heartland, the only place I feel at home. Sing about the way a good man works until the daylight's gone. Sing the rain on the roof on summer night, still know wrong from right. Sing a song about the heartland, sing a song about my life. Sing a song